Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. So in the first step, click on Task Manager and just open it. Simply click on Run New Task, then click on Browse button. From here, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then open System32 folder, and then search for cmd.exe file. Simply select it and click on open. Now this will be our path. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. Now type these two commands very carefully. Type in sfc space / scan file equal to c:/windows /system32 /ieframe.dll. Then type sfc space /verify file equal to c:/windows /system32 /ieframe.dll and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit to close the command prompt window and simply move to the next step. Now we need to open Discord, so simply double click here and open it. Now go to user settings, then simply scroll down and click on voice and video. On this window, again scroll down and search for quality of service. Now enable quality of service high pocket priorities. Simply disable it and close this window. And the final step is to go to search bar, type your command prompt, right click here and select run as administrator. Select as. Now type the command carefully. Type ipconfig space /flushdns and hit enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and hit enter to execute the command. And once done, close this and your problem is solved. You are good to go.